Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So let's take a look at Ripple. On Ripple, we had a horizontal channel breakout. They were watching for a close or an extended move above or below the key levels. Well, we got the extended move. I mean, it closed the whole bar up there, but we did get the extended move, and I will show you how you can deal with that. Then it went up to the next levels, which I'll show you what now it's pulled back. This actually triggered a ton of patterns. Great little learning exercise in technical analysis. First switch to the 4 hour. So you see it got above. We're watching for it to get above this 0.93 level. I'll give it that 0.93779. Gonna wait for the 9.4 level. You see we got a big igniting bar. If we drop down to the 1 hour, you see it got above our key level, came back, testing the rising rotation zone, and rotated back up. This is a way you could do an extended intraday entry if you want to be more aggressive and not wait for the close. Then went and blew through all the projected targets, which is fine because we're just trying to have projected targets to get our stop raised or to take some profits off. And then ran up, pulled back to rotation zone, so then we can do the next level higher. So we go from this move that started it up to the high, which gave us the 105.00, and then we had a major cluster right around this 106.90 area. Just blew through that big reversal bear, tested that area again, came down, tested it again. So now we have a classic double top pattern. Let me take this off. At a key level. Remember, we watched these things at key levels. Well, we had it poked above the cluster, but it retested that cluster multiple times. Came down, triggered that double top pattern. Now you know, hey, if I wasn't moving my stop up or I didn't take any off, this might be a good time to take it because it's probably going to head back down to at least let me put it on lower. Triggered the pattern, came back up, which many of these do. Hit the first level, hit the second level, hit the third level, which was a cluster, and then continued lower. But we didn't get a reversal pattern down here, so at least you know, hey, this thing's going lower. Now let me watch for some reversal pattern lower. Again, we can now, if we want just to try to figure out something temporarily, the only thing we can do is this kind of box in here, because it hasn't given us a rotation yet back. So we can do something like this. Hit the next level is 95.646, but again, we're not doing anything until we get some kind of reversal pattern. Then the next level down we can watch is 0.94207. So switching back to the 4 hour, well, look where the bottom of the rotation zone is. So it was spiked up, ran away from the rotation zone, came all the way back, hitting the bottom of the rotation zone. So now we can start seeing if this level holds. Maybe it'll come back down, test it again, form a nice double bottom, or we can get some kind of major rotation up, or it forms a horizontal channel. Do we know how it's going to happen? No, but we're going to be patient now and wait and watch for a potential reversal pattern. So worst case is you raised your stops or you took something off and then it collapsed back down. And this is precisely why we raise stops and use these levels to either raise stops or target. And look where it returned to. What's this? This is a prior breakout zone. So this was major prior breakout zone. It's returning right there. So made a full round trip circle. So that's some of the ways you can look for these things and help trade them. Let me take some of these levels off. Should we run back up? If we run back up, be watching the major levels that we can project now, and then we'll want to fine tune these with a reverse scan box and everything else. But right now we at 111 and then 113.74. To the downside, if it does return into this area, let's check out the daily chart. Let's check out. So right now, also notice this. So where we use our multi-time frame analysis. The 8 is right at that bottom level. So that is also another key area. And look at this is resistance, 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 resistance. Now we're going to watch for potential support and possibly a reversal pattern down here. If that does not hold, I'd watch for it to return to about the 90 level. Also, real quick, back to the 1 hour chart. One other thing I forgot to mention earlier. You can see major divergences going up. So we get progressively lower highs in the RSI. You see these? And look at each corresponding spike up on price action. We're making, higher highs. You can see, all right, this one corresponding to this one slightly lower on RSI. This price action definitely higher. Then this is way higher and the RSI still dropping. And then we're going into this double top. So that's a key thing to watch for. that you're getting all the warning signs that at least, look, don't get greedy, tighten up your stops. If we do get the bigger pullback, then you've taken something off the table or take some profits off, because way too often people just ignore what's staring them right in the face and they don't watch for these clear signs. And this run up had multiple signs that this was topping at key levels, and then we had the major reversal lower. So what we have for you on Ripple with a bunch of different technical analysis techniques. Hope this helps everyone. Bye for now.